Hey guys, Mr. Light is back with sheep, dog and wolf. Now, here's the thing. We have 3 sheep left. There's only 1 level left. What do? Well, believe it or not, you gotta go here. To the bonuses. You spend the points you've got from the time clocks to get bonuses. What we want are these 2 here. Bonus 8 and bonus 7. They are 3 points each. We definitely have enough for these 2. These are extra levels that have a sheep in each. View the bonus. There is a hidden area in the autumn area. So that is our first destination. So we need to go and get the sheep in the autumn area. We're going to do the 2 secret levels next, so let's get busy. If you go here, there is a hidden chamber here that wasn't here before. Welcome to bonus 1. Okay, here we are. Sam has a sheep, and we're going to steal it again. Now, I should tell you, this level is actually really complicated at times. You'll understand soon enough. Sam has already, by the way, put a fence around the goal. So we can't just walk to it. And there we are, ready to kick some butt. First, mail! Ah, the elastic band. Very useful. So what do we want to do first? Well, actually, to start with... Oh, no, we can't do that. We want to get the elastic band and attach it to these trees. Now, this is where it gets a bit tricky. So to start with, we want to... Okay, so that's now down there, so we can go and fetch that. Let's just go back across. Very good. Now, here's what I'm trying to do. You see that hole there in the top there? That's what I'm aiming for. I'm going to do this just right. Now this is going to take a few attempts, so you have to excuse me while I try to get into that flipping area there. It's really tricky to do, but I have done it. There we go, that was a lot easier than I thought. There's the blooming time clock in this bonus level. Now let's get out of here. There we go. Now, next on the to-do list is going to get that blooming fan. So firstly, I want to... Come on, pick it up already. Take up. And we're going to take it, go over here, and tie it to this tree. Now, let's see, how can we do this? There we go! That was a lot easier than I thought. Now we untie this, and now that we got the fan, we can use it on the raft to get across. Lovely! Ain't it lovely? I can't be Marvin the Martian. Now, we want to be very sneaky here because there is in fact a bull here. If you step on the leaves, he will torment you. There we go. Now, here's the tricky bits. This part's actually a bit tricky, but I figured out how to do it. So about here, I think it was. Let me just test it, just in case I'm wrong. You can put that there. Okay, that's about right. what you want to do is put this here, and then... Darn it, I timed that horribly wrong. What you gotta do is, when you're being fired from the catapult, hold the down button to slow you down. What you want to do is actually get onto that ledge there. Of course, Sam spots us. So it's painfully obvious I haven't done this right. So then, what we want to do is just do this, get this, and rewind it a bit. Pick this up, and let's try this again. Okay, I did not mean lean it on the edge, you idiots. Okay, still not enough. So then, that didn't work. So what we want to do... And wait a second, I just got an issue. Okay, sorted. Right. We want to change this a bit more now. Just set it to here, I believe. Let's try this again. Let's see if this will work. Right, so that was not all intentional. We actually went too far then. So if you want to increase it a bit. And we want to do this right. Let's try this again. Okay, seriously, Ralph? Okay, that didn't go very well, did it? Ow! Sam just doesn't give up on you, does he? But I think that was the right angle. I'm gonna give it another go. There we go. Now, what you want to do is hold the R1. And you'll end up... yeah. That was bad. That wasn't what I intended. The camera got stuck. So, we got it at the right angle now. It's at the right place. You just gotta get this darn thing right now. Okay, that didn't work. It's amazing how Ralph can survive all this. Jeez. Alright, let's try it again. Onto the sword, onto the catapult, and... Okay, that's not the right way, Ralph. Put it. Hang on, let's go and get this right, come on. Darn it. Oh, actually, I could have got away from him then, actually. Huh. Well, well, well. I wonder if that'll work. Oh, for heaven's sake, come on. What the? Oh yeah, that was the right angle. It hits that. That's what we want to happen, but we want you on there, not the rock. Come on, you can do it. Okay, that's better. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we want to go up. Come on, get the camera. We want to go up here. Firstly, we're going to take these. Then we're going to go back down again. Come on, do it. If you're over here, Sam can't see you behind here. You want to be close enough so the sheep is distracted from you. Now hurry up before he steps on the button. Right, pick him up. Put him down over here somewhere. No, put him down, Ralphie. Oh, flip, I accidentally fell. This one's a bit annoying because it's kind of hard to tell where the position is to actually go on to it. Oh my flip, I did it again. Try it again. Up we go. Okay, that takes us over here. Now what we want to do is attach the elastic to this. Now be sure to go down on the right hand side. So that Sam doesn't flipping see you. Okay, that's sorted. Now go down. Flip! Go back down again. I didn't know he picked up the lettuce instead. Williamo? I want you to pick up the flipping sheep, not the flipping lettuce. Okay, apparently that's too close, so just... Is he gonna go for it? Nope, he isn't. It's too far away. Right, the problem is, I gotta say, I don't think I can do it with just one green. Can I get him now? Okay, this is not working very well. Okay, I can't do it like this. Hang on a second. Seriously, I need the other green. Can't do it with just... I need all these. Okay. Try this again. Come on. Okay, we're on it. Go over here. Attach to the tree if I can. There we go. No, I did that wrong. It's already attached. Cling to. Okay, that goes there. Then go down and put that there. Oh my flip, he did again. Wait, that's it. That's what we wanted. There we go. We got the sheep. So, that's this part of the level done, but we're not done yet. Now we gotta somehow get it into the goal. Which, by the way, is not a simple flipping task. But don't worry, Sam can't see you over here. You all go on the raft. Hello, raft. Nice to see you. What we want to do is get the fan and go. Now, this gate here, I want to park slightly on the left. Then I want to, if I can get out, go over here and climb up this cliff top here. You'll find a switch on this side. Press it, and the sheep goes through. Then continue on and hit the second switch for the second gate. Your sheep should come through very soon. There he is. Wondering where you were. So he's now going to go through there. Like that. Lovely. Then all I gotta do is go over here and open the third gate. that should do it then. I should get the sheep over to the other side. Now, what we want to do is dive under here. Come up, but be careful, because this is actually very dangerous. Pick up the sheep. Now we gotta get across here now. Now this is where it gets a bit tricky. Oh, fifth. Yep, we messed that up. And believe it or not, the sheep is back there. So it's not on the raft. It's not with Sam. The sheep is literally back over here. Around here, this side. Yeah, this really is weird, isn't it? There it is. Yep, the sheep was here. Oh, wow, that was weird. Now, what we want to do is get the bands attached. Like this. Now, we need to get the sheep to go over there. This, however, is going to be a problem. Let's just get this. Fires the sheep. Fires me as well. And we got clobbered by the bull. Okay, sheepy, that didn't work. Let's try something else. I think there is a way to get the flipping sheep over to the other side without the bull knowing. Don't think it'll work. So that goes there. Oh, I got hit by the bull again. That bull, seriously. You want to be really careful, Mr. Bull. Let's try this again. Do that. I'm going to do something different this time. Be very careful here. Don't wake up the bull. He's dangerous and the sheep's there. Flip! Didn't time that right at all. Alright, sheep, let's try this again. Gotta get used to the catapults. Come on, come on! Oh, wait, hang on. I've just had a thought. Yeah, there might be a way of doing this. It's a bit tricky, but I think we can do it. If I can get the sheep over there... Oh, come on. Followed by me. I thought I could pull it off. Okay, that didn't work. So, I'm not... This part really gets to me. This is really difficult. And you can't put him on the raft because you can't get him high enough. Darn it, come on, Ralph. Flip, flip, flip. It woke up because I landed on the flipping leaves. Right, I think I know what I gotta do. I'm gonna try this. If it doesn't work, I don't know. I've done it already. There's gotta be a way of doing this. Get up here, get up here. Okay. He's gone to sleep. Pick up the sheep. Come on. Right. This time, don't mess around. Do it right this time. First, we want to load the rock so I know exactly what I'm doing. I'm gonna put it a bit in the middle, like that. That is just about right. Okay. Let's grab the sheep. Load them on. Now, this time I am not screwing this up. We did it! Ladies and gentlemen, that took me 3 times repeating all that. You probably didn't notice because I cut the footage. But the thing was, that took me 3 times going through the whole thing because I kept missing the goal and Sam took the sheep back to him. And then I had to get it back right from the beginning again. That was very, 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 very annoying. Oh, wow, that was such a stupid thing to happen to me. But that's this part done. Finally. Jeez, that was stupid.
Fantastic. Ooh, our contestant needs quiet. Quiet!
Well, guys, that's all for this really stupid episode. Next time, the other bonus level. See you guys then.